We are concerned that your child has come to school with unusual hair. We are requesting for this to be returned to normal urgently. What is normal?
Makawe, e hia ke ngā taira. Herere ke tā tēnā titiro ki tēnei mea te makawe. Ki te nuinga, he tapu. Nō reira, mā te tangata kē atu te tikanga mo te āhua o tō makawe, kua tūmeke katoa ngā whakaro a Zoe Winera i te pātai nei I aia e pānui ana I te reta no te kura mo tana tamaiti 8 tau te pakeke. E tohu ana, me whakatika I ngā makawe rereke a tō tamaiti kia nomo te taera.
I was really disappointed and quite disgusted actually. This is coming from a principal, someone who has been put into a position with so much power and mana, and for them to be writing about this boy and using the words unusual and not normal, it didn't sit right with me. Te Pirahi has been at Finlayson Park School since he was 5. He's 8 years old now, and he's had dreadlocks since he was 3. So this is his normal, and not once has it come up or been an issue in the past, and it's just a bit of a worry that only now it's a problem or it's an issue, or only now they've brought it up as an issue.
I whakapātua ohinga ki te kura o Finlayson, engari kaore te tumuaki a Shirley Maihi I whakai ki te kōrero a Kanohi. Heoi, I tuku re tamai, hei whakatakoto I ngā ture o te kura. Hei whakamārama hoki I tōna timatanga I te kura, karekau he take ki te whakauruhi I tēnei ture. Ko te kaupapa here e ki ana, me nomo ngā makawe a te tamaiti. Kaua rawa e tā waitia I te makawe, kaua hoki te makawe e tapahi kia rere ke rawa te āhua.
Nowhere in the policy does it say that you cannot have dreadlocks. So if you want that to be put in the policy, then make the change. Because at the minute, it's just saying normal. But what is normal these days? Hey.
Nā reira, kua tai te wāpea kia panoni I ngā whakaro o te ture e hāngai ana ki te āhua o te tamaiti?
I think it would be an awesome idea to kind of, review the whole nationwide, their outlook on it all, because it's time to celebrate individuality. We've made such big strides over the last, 10, 15 years, and maybe it's time that schools kind of catch up.